Hello, welcome to another episode. Today we have Prisoner Ropi is with us. We have Writer Ropi, Subscriber Ropi, and Humidifier Ropi. By the way, Kullu and Pavitra are hanging out on the same beach, side by side.
Opposite sides.
Yes.
क्या चल रहा है guys?
We have
Damn, you became that auntie fast. Damn!
Guys, so today we are reacting to a show called Plate Date. You can catch the show on Swiggy's YouTube channel. The show is already live. Link is in the description and the pinned comment. So Plate Date बहुत simple है, ठीक है? So this is a dating show where people are drawn to each other and they are not called love buds. They are called taste buds.
Hi.
Wah, wah,
Nice.
wah, 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 wah. On that note, let's begin.
हाय माय नेम इज मानव एंड वेलकम टू प्ले डेट डेटिंग लाइफ स्लो रही है पिछले 2 सालों में टर्न्स आउट स्विगी knows this and they have a show.
Manav looks like he listens to EDM. Like his favorite band is Avicii.
100%. Yeah, 100%. But also like cigarettes after sex. Yeah.
No, I'm talking
Also.
about music.
Oh, so correct. Sorry. Correct you are, sir.
I am curious now because सब मेरे लिए ऑर्डर कर रहा है कोई और. डेट में मतलब सेकेंडरी होता है खाना लेकिन यहाँ पे खाना प्राइमरी है.
Have I been doing dates wrong this whole time?
Yeah.
मतलब मैं बंदी के आने से पहले अगर मंगा लेता हूँ मसाला पापड़ तो इज इट रॉन्ग?
Oh my god. This explains so much.
Kullu.
कुल्लू को डेट पे प्यार नहीं प्याज हो जाता है.
मसाला पापड़ की
We have Harleen with us. Hi Harleen. Blink once if you can hear me. Okay, you hear me. I'm assuming. I have your order
That
history
was
with me. Harleen.
funny. Good one, Manav. I like it.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Seriously.
married.
Just letting you know that I spent money on 6 outfits on your marriage. I do not appreciate any infidelity jokes today.
I would just like to make the case that since you spent money on 6 outfits, you would get more mileage out of them if you had to wear them to a second wedding.
That's
Yes.
true.
Okay.
That's true.
Harleen, let's start with the first one. First place she's ordered from, Pizza Express. Then you've called for Padana Pizza. Ooh, interesting. American hottest pizza. No toppings.
Hey, in American hottest pizza, does it come with a gun on top of it?
Nice.
You think?
Then it's
अच्छा
Kullu, तेरा favorite pizza कौन सा है Kullu?
जो दूसरे मंगा दे.
Third place, Cake Story. Nutella well cake. Sounds interesting. Toppings में मैं काफी impressed because spinach is काफी bravery के काम है pizza पे डलवाना. Harleen, can you clear out what is Nutella well cake? I'm assuming cake है और इसके बीच में बहुत सारा Nutella है.
It's a beautiful cake, which like when you dig in, it's just like just beautiful chocolate flowing.
it's beautiful.
It's a beautiful cake with beautiful chocolate, beautifuling through the
Beautifully
beauty.
flowing.
Yeah.
Young people dating is so different, right? Like now I feel like an old person. I'm because they're like having like carbs and dairy, sugar and all. What a life, man.
Sorry, but we've seen your Instagram stories and where you eat and what all you buy from food hall.
I have left that life behind now.
2 days back.
It's an interesting order history, Harleen. Thank you so much. Bye, Harleen. Air 5. Okay, nothing.
He said nothing.
He said
Nothing.
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 तो बंदा कोई जहाँ पाना है कि जो बंदियां बदलती जा रही है भाई.
For us all, this is a non-fiction show, but for Kullu, it's fiction.
Kullu talking to screen like my dad talked to India-Pakistan match. अरे ऐसे मतलब क्या समझ के रखा है?
No, but imagine if we could do this, but instead of order history, there is the other person's dating history, and you open one by one. Won't that have been a whole bunch?
तुमने एक भोपाली लड़का मंगाया, वो भी स्पाइक हेयर टॉपिंग के साथ. जी.
और उसने डेट
Here
में
with
मसाला पापड़ मंगा लिया.
We have here with us Rupika. Hi, Rupika. First order from a place called Blue Tokai. She's called for coffee and chicken pasta.
Coffee and chicken pasta.
Okay.
Coffee with chicken pasta. Come on, guys.
She's gone to Blue Tokai, so I'm just like, she's rich.
Correct.
Allowed
Yes,
it.
fair.
Second order, wraps and rolls called for chicken tikka roll, hummus and pita, and smoky chicken roll. Third order, biryani by kilo. It's mutton dum biryani, guys.
अरे समय रहना सही आईडी से आओ.
This order in our circles is called the freelancer special.
डेडलाइन के एक रात पहले वाले ऑर्डर है.
हाँ.
Good coffee. Some days.
I don't know what kind of coffee Manav has been drinking, but he clearly doesn't know what good coffee tastes like. अब वो Nescafe में पानी मिला के अमेरिकानो बोलने वाले में से है तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती.
This is definitely a shared order because it's a dinner time order. But you like Lebanese, I see that. And you like wraps and rolls. I think actually I'm very much impressed with the
Kullu be like, even I like lesbians.
If she likes Lebanese, why is she going on a dating show with a guy?
I think actually I'm very much impressed with the mutton dum biryani, and it's a lunch order, so very impressed. With regards to wraps and rolls, she's called for 2 people, and hummus and pita for sharing. Sweet. Biryani by the kilo, 4 people, easy. Mutton dum biryani, that's all it takes.
I don't know what he's trying to. It's for 2 people, and
Yeah.
it's for people. Was she on another date while she was ordering?
वही.
There another guy that she's been talking to. It feels more that than the
Yeah.
review.
मैं इसको जनापना मान रहा था, ये जासूस गोपी चंद भी है.
किसने चैट ने बोला है, मैं तो बिरयानी भाई पाव किलो ही मंगाता हूँ भाई. किसने बोला है भोपाल है बिरयानी भाई कुल्लू.
बिरयानी कभी-कभी वेज बिरयानी खाने वाले.
You know, after seeing your Swiggy history, Rupika, मुझे लगता है हमें ना ऐसे, like if we ever go on a date, it'll be a good one because I can imagine us walking and eating, always fun. This is pretty cool, really cool. Always a fan of mutton dum biryani. Thank you, Rupika. Thank you for.
मुझे दिख रहा है कि मानव के दिमाग और मुंह के बीच में गैप कम होते जा रहा है. जो मन में आ रहा है वो बोलते जा रहा है. Walking, eating, very good. Walking, standing, feet moving.
Walking, eating like is good, best. Like don't eat like a sheep. Like eat like a human being. Sit down, eat your food.
चलते चलते पनीर पसंद है और गार्लिक नान कैसे खाया जाएगा?
Exactly. Thank
You
you.
put it in, roll it up, and then eat.
Please do that again, Pavi, so we get a nice gif.
You put it in.
And
Guys,
Pavi,
मैं कैसे भी पॉपुलर हो जाऊँ, मुझे बस पॉपुलर होना है. I don't care. You want me to give you third take? I will give it to you.
Hi, Anushri. We're gonna start with Anushri's order history, guys. Drunken flat noodles.
ऐसे drunken flat noodles. अच्छा.
तब
बेवड़े
Meraki.
चपटे नूडल.
क्या?
बेवड़े चपटे नूडल.
Yeah, I've tried Meraki. It's amazing. And what you've called for? Garlic noodles. Last up,
काफी noodles हो रहे हैं ना इसके.
Burma. Oh, khause. Like it tastes like all the toppings and everything. It's really good.
Oh my god, that's so exciting. I am tick. That's a check mark on my list.
I like खाउसोए क्योंकि कुछ भी देखो, कोई भी सामान के साथ कुछ क्रिस्पी मिल जाएगा ना. खाउसोए में क्रिस्पी नूडल आता है, पीनट आता है. I relate with कुल्लू मसाला पापड़. I just want it with other things also.
Yeah, full agree on masala papad and house. I think Kullu, you and I go on a date, bro. We'll be fine.
Yeah.
मैं खाऊ से नहीं मंगा पाऊंगा भाई, वो दूध की ग्रेवी होती मेरे बस की नहीं है.
उसको खीर बोलते मेरे भाई, वो खाउसोए नहीं है. तो क्या बोल रहा है?
Tried flat noodles in my life. Could be interesting. Anushri, can you tell me the sauce base? Of course you can't tell me. I'm definitely going to try garlic noodles. And from all of this, I can see that you like Asian food. Anushri, correct me if I'm wrong. Asian food अच्छा लगता है. उन्हें प्रियदर्शनी की movies भी अच्छी लगती है. I call for Chinese.
Did you just say Priyadarshini?
Yes, he did say Priyadarshani.
Manav being over smart.
कह रहे बोल देता हूँ क्या उसको याद थोड़ी होगा.
Okay, listen, Mr. X, by the way, it's not Priya Darshani, it's Priya Darshan. Okay?
Based on your order history, Anushri, मुझे भी ये cuisine आसपास अच्छा.
Anushri has nailed that.
Burn on the gang, run कर दे.
Manav be like, I love that Priyadarshini film, Phera Heri. I love it. Great film. Big fan of Phera Heri. I love that movie by Priyadarshini called Chal Hal.
Chal Hal.
Big fan.
गागम गाग.
I just want to get one thing right. It's Fatiha.
I'm actually used to people getting my name wrong, and to be honest, I've stopped correcting people. Even if it's like a long date and someone cannot pronounce my name right, I'm just fine with it.
We have Fatiha's order history, guys. Let's start with the first one. The place is called Chinese Corner, and the order is Desi Chinese noodles. Next up, it is from Welcome to Chayos.
Hey, Chayos ki keema pao is quite nice actually.
It is, yes.
Yeah. Have
Pao.
you ever had Chayo's mom's poha?
Mom's poha.
Yeah. They call your mom after you order it, and then
They call your mom and like, thank you to Chayos.
We have burgers from Burgerama. I have been talking about Chinese a lot today, so I'm already sold on that. Like you know your thing because no one that I know other than myself has keema pao at 10:34 a.m. Pretty cool, Fatiha.
डिटेल्स क्या कहावत है वो क्या लाइज इन डिटेल
The devil.
Devil lies in detail. बस वो यही पूछना था देखो कुल्लू. उसका आगे कुछ नहीं है. Ashu, what did you have for breakfast today?
Oh my god, I actually had poha, my mom's poha. Oh my god.
You had your mom's poha.
I mean, I had normal poha, my maid's poha. My mom is not my maid, just cut.
This has spiraled really fast. Started off with a really simple question and somehow 3 sentences later you're just cancelling yourself.
that sounded like a plot of a Priyadarshini movie
Priyadarshan by filmed.
Priyadarshan by film. मुझे अभी समझ.
These noodles at 3:41 p.m. You are okay with like not eating on time, which is great. I really like Burgerama, and from this I can say that she's from Delhi.
He already knows Burgerama is not from Bombay. I can already feel a little bit of connection there.
मुझे सिर्फ ये बोलना है कि ये काफी बढ़िया Swiggy order history है यार. मतलब almost as close as what I would order. So really cool, Fatiha, and thank you for sharing your Swiggy order history with us.
फातिया भी लाइक इसने बस नाम बढ़िया बोल दिया. इसने फटिया नहीं बोला मेरे को. मजा आ गया. बंदे में दम है.
नहीं फातिया जी ने वो देसी चाइनीज में हो गया मेरा वो
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're in the second leg with only 3 of them left. Okay, let's see what
Okay.
Manav decides.
Hello, hi Fatiha.
Hi.
Hi Rupika.
Hi, Manav.
If all the restaurants are about to close for delivery in a minute, what would you order? Tick tock, you
Biryani.
biryani?
Yeah, lots of pizza, and Joey's has this thing where you can order half and half. So I can do veg and non-veg, and like I can do cold also.
Burgers.
From Burgerama.
यहाँ तो है नहीं, but
I know.
just anywhere.
What would you order while hosting a house party?
I think I would do like a whole taco platter because it gives people to do something. There's a lot of like variety in front of you. So I actually do have a lot of house parties, and I think I prefer big pizzas because size matters. I mean,
पिज्जा से आगे बढ़ गया
और आगे जाके फिर वो पालक पिज्जा लेके आया. मतलब क्या कर रही है यार हरलीन.
मैं पिज्जा की दीवानी हूँ
She seemed very type A, you know, like controlling. I want I think I'll order 2 pizzas and half, and there'll be veg and there'll be.
Chat में किसने कहा है look who's talking?
Knew that was coming.
पीछे आकाश भाई पिज्जा खा रहे हैं चुप के
and I think I prefer big pizzas because size matters. I mean, pizza wise.
Shit, I'm the wrong guy.
You tell me, does it not? In everything.
मानव कह रहा है I am the wrong guy.
Give Manav points for honesty.
Hey guys, maybe it was really cold in the studio. Okay, it might have been very cold.
This is honestly, he has grown 6 inches in my estimation.
Size matters, yeah, but for a pizza, if you're having it alone, then maybe you will think about it.
God, where did it go?
I think after that whole conversation, Manav was like, "Was this going to work out?"
Like, he needs tissues at this point for you know and for
Manav is
deodorant.
like, एक छोटा पिज्जा बेना. हाँ 400 टिश्यू बेच सकते हो क्या? साथ में 400 टिश्यू.
What would you order for someone going through a breakup?
Definitely something sweet.
But you know, अच्छा किसी का breakup हुआ है तो sweet ही order करना
हाँ
है.
मतलब ice cream majorly like it's like the stereotypical post breakup food.
I think dim sums and soup. I mean, heartbreak is similar to being sick. Like dil ka dard, dil ka dukh. It's very similar to being sick. So I feel that vibe would go very well with somebody who's going through a heartbreak. So
I like this answer. Dim sum and
Yes.
soup is nice.
Yes, yes,
I would have
always
never
good.
thought.
डिमसम की जगह अगर मोमो और बोल देती तो यहीं से रिश्ता
I think Kullu is just shipping Rupika separately. And let me guess what Harleen is going to give. Let's everybody, let's just guess. What do you think she's going to send to her friend when she breaks?
Breakup.
Gonna go with something which is chocolate because chocolate again, like dark chocolate or whatever chocolate it is, it's called the love hormone.
Yeah.
Because when you eat it, the hormones that are released during love and love making are released while you have chocolate.
अरे डॉक्टर हरलीन को क्या हो गया भाई ये?
क्या बोला है इसने
Love hormone. Chocolate is called love hormone.
सामान क्या है मंगाने वाला
Chocolate pizza. कुल्लू इज लाइक एक तो ब्रेकअप हो गया ऊपर से तो उसको एक्लेयर चिपका के निकलेगी तो कैसा लगेगा भाई ये क्या है
नहीं उन्होंने कहा कि लव मेकिंग के समय जो हार्मोन रिलीज होता है चॉकलेट खाने से भी वो होता है
हाँ
Depends on where you put the chocolate. Never mind.
that's why they call it a perk you with icon.
I get it. Like chocolate for you is like that best friend जो बोलती है कि no, he's not worth it. Don't cry or go back to him.
What would you order for somebody who's going through a breakup?
I'd call for some spicy Chinese. It helps crying. Then you get over it. Thank you for talking to me, Rupika.
Finally, someone asked him a question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अरे वो
And
कह
he
रहा
immediately fucked up the answer.
What would y'all order for someone when they're going through a breakup?
I would order some condoms or Swiggy Instamart.
I don't know
hope
what throwing
that-
water balloons at people does to help breakups. but sure.
Thank you, Fatiha.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you. Maybe
Yeah,
not.
maybe. फैसले की घड़ी आ चुकी है, friends. I'll pick Harleen because very interesting conversation. And I would go with Rupika. I'm sorry, Fatiha.
What? Why?
But if I'm ever in Delhi, we will go to Burgerama for sure.
I can do anything for Burgerama, and the fact that it isn't in Bombay makes me really sad, but let's go.
This feels amazing. I didn't think I'll get this far, and here I am.
Plating the date.
We are on our third segment now. And to put a conclusion to this plate date, मेरे लिए रुपिका और हरलीन ने कुछ चीजें स्विगी की है. I'm excited. I'm excited to try it. Let's see.
It's a good life, man. It's people ordering you food.
Oh,
Ankush
is
Bhagna
it?
brings
I
it to
see.
you. Pretty cool shit.
Ankush Bhagna brings it to you.
Pretty cool shit, man. Good life, yeah.
Oh.
What is it?
I see something that I've not tried before and something that I go for usually. I would say Harleen has ordered Lebanese and Rupika has ordered pizza.
Why do you think
Bas
What?
aise.
Oh
Come
my
on.
god.
What? What?
How did this happen?
What?
Wait, I'm sure
What?
he's joking.
When people say, men don't listen. They just don't pay. It's so true.
पहले तो ये बता दें कि आपने जो बोला है वो बिल्कुल गलत बोला है.
I know. Harleen, is this Pizza Express?
Yes, it is.
I know this order also now.
उसे वो पिज़्ज़ा कर रहा था. And
वो नहीं कर रहा था.
What?
तुम कर रही थी.
Harleen. But I think that is the American hottest, by the way.
Rohan, maybe you should go meet Harleen.
No, I should go meet pizza. I should.
ऐसे एंथू कटलेट भी थोड़ा हो रहा था. तो ऐसे शायद हरा सिग्नल हो.
And Rupika, which shawarma is this? You've not told me this yet.
अब तुम इतने aficionado टाइप लग रही हो तो
अच्छा,
देख के
अभी
बताना
आप
चाहिए
लोग की
तुमको.
बारी है. You have 30 seconds each to tell me why you all have picked this for me.
30 seconds is a little less, no?
You can go on for a minute for shawarma, then I'm okay with that.
Here are my reasons. पहली बात, share नहीं करना पड़ता. You can have yours, your partner or your date can have theirs. And like, it's just delicious. There's bread, there's veggies, there's sauces, there's garlic, there's whatever. It's not super Lebanese, so you don't have to be all like, oh my god, I'm a Lebanese girl. And that's my 30 seconds, Manav.
Those are good explanation. I think shawarma has a bit of everything.
Yeah,
true.
Sharma has a
True.
bit of everything, and also sharing. You don't want like your first hook sharing to happen through like food,
Correct,
right?
correct.
Like
Pavi, how does one eat a shawarma?
go first.
Manav, if you think 30 seconds is long, then I'm really sorry, but it's really short coming from a woman.
Okay.
So I'm going to talk about pizza. So pizza is easy, fast, fatafat milta hai, kahin pe bhi milta hai. There's cheese in it, there's thin crust. So in case you're worried about calories, so that is also sorted. And it's huge. Like, I mean, the pizza, the size is really nice. So it's scrumptious and fulfilling as an experience. That's why.
Round of applause. Y'all can clap as well.
I feel इसको GRE में बहुत अच्छा marks मिला होगा.
I want to pick shawarma, but the pizza does look interesting. क्योंकि उसमें caramelized onions है और spinach है. कैसा combination है? मैं बस curious हूँ. I have decided to go with pizza because I've been reading it from the first segment और मैं काफी curious हूँ because it's such a great topping and it'll be nice to share with someone. Hi Arlene, you are the winner. Sorry Rupika.
पालक पे कौन सिम करता है यार? पालक पहले तो पिज्जा में
Yeah.
डाल के
You're damn right.
पालक
Damn.
Agreed.
Rupika for president.
Hold on.
किसी ने बोला है मानव be like पलक तक चल साथ मेरे.
What about spinach, chicken, spinach, chicken.
Time for muh dikhai, guys. This is what I've been waiting for. And you all? Or just me? Actually, just me.
घूंघट उठा रहा देखते जाइए।
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. Hi, Harleen. Nice to meet
Finally,
you. Yes.
finally I'm seeing you.
How was your whole journey?
Journey's
with Yadis
You saw
Desai?
that guy's expression पीछे. Just looked at Manav like ये बंदा.
That was the
Blindly see his expression.
expression for अल्लाह मेहरबान तो गधा पहलवान।
Yeah, something's happening.
Yeah. There's a candle.
Yeah, it's goes with the pizza, you know.
Yeah. So पर्दा उठा. I'm like लंबा है यार इंसान तो चलो कोई तो लंबा है like you know it just helps so much and cute boy happy and also likes pizza तो मतलब
Fork and knife kind of a person, or just
no. There's a whole study about how food, when eaten with hands, has a different impact on your body. When you eat food with your hand,
yeah.
the mind gives the signals that okay, this is delicious food and it's going inside your body. However, when you eat it with that, it doesn't give the same signal.
भाई हरलीन के साथ तुम एक खाना खाओ तुमको एंड में डिग्री भी मिलती है क्या? हरलीन के साथ खाना खाने के बाद तुमको वो टोपी फेंकना पड़ता है हवा में ऐसे। मजा आया भाई खाना खा के।
You don't pay bill, you pay fees.
इसके पिज्जा के साथ डिप नहीं डिप्लोमा मिलता होगा।
ओ भाई।
It's going nice. I'm having fun. We're talking. We're exchanging views.
She knows a lot. All right.
So you take this and you put it.
You can go. We'll continue this. You don't have to continue this. Please, just go.
If you want like Swiggy to come up with the dating app, please comment below and maybe they will for you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cute. I like. Cheers. Yeah, sleep party.
Who really won?
Yeah.
I think Rupika won.
I think Rupika won this one.
Like that boss lady that
Yeah.
she is.
The problem with this show is that it makes you really hungry while watching
Yes,
it.
exactly.
Yeah.
Before we sat down to record, all my thoughts were इसके बाद jog करने जाने वाला हो ये वो. Now it's like, which pizza will I pizza today?
Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed that, then go check out Playdate on Swiggy's YouTube channel. I have put up the link in the description and the pinned comment. Thank you much for joining us today. Subscriber OP, Kulu OP, Humidifier OP, and Prisoner OP. I will see you guys.
Kabam batale ala kacha badam